Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green giants. First, select an ideal spot for your new trees, ensuring they receive plenty of sunshine, ideally 6 hours or more each day. These adaptable evergreens thrive in various conditions, but prefer well-drained soil. Consider the mature size. Space them about 5 feet apart for a dense privacy screen, or 10 feet for individual specimens, allowing them ample room to grow to their impressive eventual height. Now let's prepare the planting hole. Dig it twice as wide as the root ball, but only as deep as the root ball itself. This ensures the root flare, where the trunk widens at the base, sits level with or slightly above the surrounding soil, which is crucial for healthy growth. Carefully take the green giant out of its container and gently tease apart any roots that are tightly circling. Place the tree in the center of the hole. Once the tree is in place, backfill the hole using the soil you removed, gently firming it around the roots to eliminate large air pockets. Watering is critical after planting. Soak the area deeply until the soil is thoroughly saturated. Then, apply a layer of organic mulch, such as shredded bark or wood chips, about 2 to 4 inches thick around the base of the tree. Remember to keep the mulch a few inches away from the trunk itself, creating a small donut shape. For the first 2 years, your green giants will need consistent watering, about 1 inch per week, especially during dry spells. You can fertilize them each spring with a balanced, slow-release evergreen food to encourage robust growth. While they generally maintain a beautiful natural shape, light pruning can be done in late winter or early spring to remove any dead or crossing branches or to slightly shape your hedge. These trees are quite low maintenance and will provide you with a stunning, tall privacy screen for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.